Hello. Hello. What'd you say her name was? Christy. Oh. Hello, Christy. And boys, what you doing? Woke up this morning. Everything was going great. And then I got put in a box. And hours later in the box, this dude opens the box. And then guess what? He's got his hand up my rear, making my mouth move, talking for me. Look. See? Woke up this morning, just going about my business, throw it in the box. And then this dude comes up, don't know him, and just put his hand right up in the back of my neck, making my mouth move. For him. What'd you say her name was? Christy. Oh, okay. Christy, boys, Bobby, I love you. Yeah. Love, I love. Hairball. I love you. Back in the box.